Friends, Vande Mataram. So let's start with the prediction of July 2023, where I'm going to give you Nifty everyday up and downs. And before we go ahead, let's discuss something about a little about what we have predicted for June 2023 and what was the actual outcome. In fact, I mentioned in my last video of June 2023 that market would be very unpredictable after 17th of June 2023 because of the Saturn's retrogression. And in fact, I was uncomfortable to give Nifty data, but there were a lot of requests that I should give something. So I mentioned around 18,620, but the actual closure was 19,189. So definitely there was a difference of 500. Now, before we go ahead with the day-wise Nifty data, let me give you a few notes which I have mentioned that till 12th of July, market would be average. There would be a little down on everyday basis, where I can see Nifty till July 12 between 18,450 to 18,900, and definitely there is a correction I can see a little because of again Saturn retrogression, which is 18,300. So if market goes to 18,300, don't get scared. You can continue your buying. Now, there are a few questions. Hello everyone, Vande Mataram. And about all the questions, I will entertain all your questions once I would complete giving this data to all of you. So on 3rd of July, market will be up till 12:35 p.m. and after then market will be down and the closure will be in the negative side. On 4th of July, again little down. 5th of July down. 6th of July down till 11:50 a.m. and after then 60 to 90 points upper side. Now 7th of July, 60 points up around. These are the average figures. 8th and 9th of July, there is a holiday. 10th of July, Bank Nifty and Nifty both will be going down. So be careful on this date. I don't want to give any particular data. And on 11th of July, 60 points down I can see as per the astrological calculations. 12th of July down till 1:20 p.m. and after then market will try to recover itself. So I can say that it will be an average and out. Whatever the Nifty we left day before, one day before. So nearby that Nifty you can see maybe 5 to 10 points up and down. 13th of July up, market will be up till 11:30 p.m. and after then I can see downtrend. 11:30 to 1:35 p.m. there will be a downtrend and again market will start recovering after 1:35 p.m. and there will be upper trend, means market will get closer in the positive side. 14th of July 40 point up. 15th and 16th is the holiday and there is a one note. Let me tell you that note before we go ahead for the 17th July. On 16th July, after 16th July, I would say Nifty and Bank Nifty both will get strengthened, and where I can see Bank Nifty around 45,100. So if Bank Nifty touches here, goes to 45,100, I would suggest like all the trade, like the people who are into future and option, that they should come out of this market, because correction can be there anytime, and for that I'm studying also. So if I would be into any calculation in between, where I'm in the middle of the calculation, so I'll give you a very short video, maybe that I can give any of the time in the month, 1 or 2 minute video maybe. So 14th and 15th July, as I mentioned, it's a holiday. 17th of July, market will be very positive in the morning itself, but gradually it will start going down, but still I can see 40 point up till the market get closer. 18th of July, 30 point up, 30. 19th, 40 point up. 20th of July, down in opening. So opening I can't see very good, but the closer will be on upper side around 60 point high. 21st July, 70 point up. 24th of July, 40 points up. So here I want to give few tips also, because I just gave one video in Hindi also, 12 to 12:30. So again, a lot of requests are there. Many people ask that they try a lot and they take a lot of tips from many people, but still they do not get profit from the stock market. For that, I would suggest such people to get your horoscope checked from your corporate astrologer or the astrologer who has a very good knowledge in stock market astrology, because for gain in stock market astrology, 5th house is responsible, where 5th house association with D9, D10, D60 is supposed to be checked, and strength also. And it's very important to check the strength on month wise, week wise, transit wise, that what would be the time where you can get benefited. So it's very important to check your horoscope instead of you keep on booking your losses, because few people, when I see such kind of horoscope, there are few astrological combination where few people can get profit in the long term investment, few people can get profit in the shares which can give dividend, few people for future and option, for trading, for gold, silver, commodities, many of the things. So depend what your 5th house indicates. Now 24th of July, 40 point up. 25th of July, 150 to 200 points up. So very positive day I can see. And Bank Nifty here I can see a very high and around 60 point positive closer on the higher side. And 26th of July, down till 12:20 p.m. and after then market will start recovering, and I can say averaging out. The Nifty will be day before, so similar kind of figure you can expect here, not the exact, but 5, 10, 20 points up and down. 27th upper side, 28th down to 31st of July, because there is a holiday on 29th and 30th. 31st of July, 40 points high, positive side. And as I mentioned, Saturn is retrograded already till 4th of November, I think, yes. So there are chances of having a big correction, and as I mentioned in my last Hindi video also, that I'm working on such kind of combination, because 13th of October is indicating something, but still I'm in the mid of my study. So once the data would be clear, and if I would be able to make out something, I'll definitely give you a very short video about that, because everyone is worried about the correction. I know it's your hard money, and Nifty final closer, which I can see by end of this month on 31st of July, 19,220. So friend, this is my astrological calculation, because in my last video few people mention, because they have their own analysis, that Nifty can go on this, that, etc. I don't want to comment on anything such data, because that my calculations are totally based on astrology, and their calculations are based on the expert advice who are very expert in the market of this stock market. And let's read your questions. Okay, I think this is Aditya Jain again. Aditya, I have marked down your query, and I mentioned you, I'm going to call you on priority. So again, I'm writing a double priority for you. And Vikram, Vande Mataram. VB, I don't know what is your good name, sir. Hello, Prashant, you have mentioned hello to you. LB has mentioned 8th and 9th house, Lord in 5th house. I have already answered your question in last Hindi video. Small cap index will be broken out. A question is there from BB. I don't want to comment on this because I haven't studied. Ankit Lohia, when week fall lead in Indian market. Ankit, I mentioned about such kind of things in this video itself. So let's see what happened. Ketan Karodia, Namaskar ji, aapko bhi. Any big fall this month? VB has questioned. VB have mentioned that there is a possibility because of Saturn retrogression, and the correction I can see around 18,300 till 12th of July. Let's see. Mr. AP. Major stock market crash in April 2024 and world order will change. Is it possible? Yes, you are in the right track, Mr. AP. Such kind of combinations are there, and definitely I'll guide you people. Just wait for some time, because I mentioned in my old astrological videos that astrology work on Desh Kal Patra. So let's see what kind of combinations comes, because election is also there in 2024. Mr. AP have question again. I have Jupiter in 5th house, Taurus. Mr. AP, it indicates a lot, because not you only, there are almost 6 crore people in the world who have Jupiter in 5th house in Taurus. Now it matters that where it is placed in D9, D10, D60, what kind of degree it has. Is it Digbali? What Shadashtak Bala indicates about your Jupiter? What is the association with your Jupiter of other planets? What is its strength? So a lot of calculations are there in astrology, not only the basis of one planet is placed in the 5th house and we predict something and make something out of it. No, that would be injustice with the planet. Karnani Trading, Prashant ji. Okay, Namaskar Karnani ji, aapko bhi. Vipul, any sector you think should go? Vipul, I don't want to mention on this kind of because queries. Because okay, let me give you my calculation. I cannot see any sector going down, rather I can see Nifty going very up in July 2023. Kanani, I will be thankful to just some funds of chemical, AI and defense. Kanani, I will try to guide you, but see, I have mentioned in many of my videos, because being a stock market astrologer, I think it would be injustice if I would give you 2 or 3, 4, 5 scripts on this video, because that would be injustice with other companies, and I might get few allegations from you people only, and you know that we cannot stop someone saying, because people can say that maybe I have taken some kind of benefit from those organizations, and that's why I'm giving such kind of prediction. If you have gone through my political videos, where few people have been mentioned that I am an astrologer of BJP. According to few, I work for AAP, and according to many people, I work for Congress party also, because normally I give generalized prediction, but you cannot stop people saying about ourselves. So Vikram Anandji has asked one question. Last video said July market will be crashed. Vikram, I have mentioned in my last video about crash, where I have mentioned now also that I can see a correction around 18,300, but that's not even sure. And that is also till 12th of July. Nagaraju ji, namaskar. I think you came last month also about the stock market crash. Definitely, I'll give, as I mentioned, I'll give a very short video if something I can see happening in near future. Vipul Bhovabar, if possible to share your views on USA market. Yes, Vipul, about USA time is very bad. In fact, I have, yes, about your questions, I would say please check my video, which I have given on, I think, for 5-6 days ago. So where I have mentioned many things about USA which are going to happen immediately, and I am very, very confident about my USA predictions. So be careful if you're working with US market. Chandrappa KT, which sector will go down in July month? No, I cannot see any sector going down. Rather, I mentioned Nifty, Bank Nifty would go high. So I think there is no more questions from your side, and let's wait, because I have given the time till 12:59, almost 1 p.m. Till that, let me see if any astrological calculation we can make immediately. Can we expect a bull run from this question is from Arvinda PB. Bull run from 2023 July. Definitely, see about this, just give me time, I'll study, and if something would be there, I'll definitely predict about it. I have noted down your question, because it's a very, very interesting question you have given. Himanshu Kalraji, about coin market, I don't know, are you asking about cryptocurrency or something else? Then I would say please take care and don't lose your money. In fact, I had given one video about cryptocurrency around 3 years, when I think it was around 44 lakh or something one coin. I mentioned that it is going to fall very badly, and it happened also. And if you have a new awareness about one news about US, where such kind of one agency, I'm not able to recall the name, that the complete failure was there. So a lot of people, they lost their money. A lot of videos are there available of such things in the YouTube also. LV has questions. Till then, can you read my previous question and answer? Absolutely love your Himanshu Kalraji mentioned they absolutely love my prediction. Thank you, Himanshu ji. So Himanshu, see, you have mentioned that you are talking about cryptocurrency, etc. Please be careful. You better invest your money something, some another sector. And I think investing gold will be the best way. Chandrappa KT. SGX Nifty shifted to India in Gujarat. India will be benefited for. Let me write your question, because I'm not ready to answer your question. Praveen Dandpani ji, I have mentioned. Himanshu has asked a similar question about cryptocurrency. I cannot see a good future in long run. Nagaraju has asked question, when will start bulk investment in Indian stock market? Nagaraju ji, I would say that it's depend on your luck and your understanding, your gut feeling, your intuitiveness about the market. There are few people who are investing every day. In fact, I do invest on everyday basis. And about me, I get always a lot of gains. I don't lose in stock market. So depend your gut feeling also at what time you should come back from the market. People have asked a question. Historically, USA and Indian market have been corrected. So if USA market are going down, Indian market also going up would be a challenge in this thought process. Correct. People, I have a different opinion about nowadays. I can see a different trend. India is becoming very, very stronger nowadays as a country, and wherever we go nowadays out of the country, people see us in a very different manner, like very respectful manner. So now that time has gone where market of USA is going down, and we would say that okay, Nifty would also be going down. No, not today. Praveen has asked question, if there are any good potential cryptocurrency coin, when is the best time to after the crash? Praveen, I won't suggest you on this cryptocurrency, because whenever I make calculation and I have given videos, people have booked a lot of losses on this. So be careful. There are a lot of markets. I know there is a huge profit, instant profit in cryptocurrency sometime, but losses are there also huge. Himanshu Kalraji, yes, Himanshu, you can call me. Yeah, definitely we can meet. No problem. Whenever you would be there, normally I stay in Noida and I belong to Himachal Pradesh. So I keep on traveling Himachal to Noida many times, and if you would be ever there in Noida, and definitely I do travel worldwide, so definitely we'll meet sometime. Kuldeep ji, a great Nifty crash date. Okay, I have mentioned in my video, so if you would listen this video completely, you would find that data also. So LB has asked question, sir, 8th and 9th house Lord in 5th house aspected by Jupiter from 11th in Capricorn. So okay, so you have a Aries ascendant, and Mars and Jupiter, it is in the 5th house. It's a very big Raj Yoga, I would say. A very strong Raj Yoga, rather it is. Currently 8th Lord Mahadasha started. Sir, what's your valuable advice? I know LB, you must be, very aggressive at this moment because of the Mars the Mars Mahadasha. So be careful, be aggressive, but you will have to be very, very intuitive and very, not very impulsive, because this Mahadasha makes a person very, very impulsive. So be careful, and this is a time for gains. And also, if you could mention also about your Sarvashtaka point of fifth house, so I can predict you more live. And if you could mention that in your Leo sign, since you are going through Mars Mahadasha, so what is the score in Leo sign of Bhinashtaka? So if it, let me mention, if it is more than 4, go ahead, don't worry. You can gain a lot from this market. And if it is, if there are more than 32 points in your fifth house of Sarvashtaka, you will definitely get a huge gains. Now there are a few more questions, I think. Kuldeep Singh, need your help, support, sir. Yeah, Kuldeep ji, definitely you can call us and I'll help you out. So for today, Sarvashtaka 32 points. It's a great score, LV. So go ahead with this market. You will get huge gains. So friends, give me a permission for today. And I can't see any more question. So finally, Bharat Mata ki Jai.